Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Tutorials. Again, my name is Ghost, and this is going to be our second recording for this week. We are working again on a hit called Question Quality Task. Um, let's pull up the guidelines. Now, you have the guidelines. You have to always bring it up every time you work on a particular hit and you find yourself totally lost on what to do. Again, it's relevance of related question. In this simple and fun hit app, we or UHRS evaluate the relevance of the related question with respect to the query. You are given a query and related question. For example, the query is 127 centimeters. The related question is long call signs in WSJTX. So the answer to this, the query and related have different intent. Okay. And for the next question, uh, the related question doesn't reflect the same intent as the query, as you can see. The related question is related to the user's query. Oh, this guideline is really confusing. I don't want to read it through to you all, but let's go ahead and start working on this set. So for this one, the query is the truth about Trentilex. How often do you experience numbness in your arms or shoulders when you slip or sleep rather? The query and related questions have different intent exactly, and the query and question are related. Unfortunately, no. So leave it unchecked. Submit. We got it right. Question number two. Tell me your secrets. Are Agatha Christie books okay for kids? The query and related question have different intent. The query and question are related. Unfortunately, no. Yeah, we got it right. Third, moving on to the next one is SharePoint 1000, free PBX, and Office 365. Nope, we got it right. So Tor VPN, Safe Free VPN. Again, the query and related question have different intent. The query and question are related. I think they are. They talk about VPN. Let's see how it goes. Yep, we got it right. Last hit for this one. The units for all constants in physics. What is the SI unit of permittivity? Uh, the query and related questions have different intent. Yeah. The query and question are related. They talk about physics. Permittivity. This. Let me research for this one. Term. In electromagnetism, the absolute permittivity often simple. It talks about physics, I guess. So let's see. Yep, we got it right. So again, this is a preview and a thought process on how you can work or how you should work on question quality task from UHRS. I want to cut the video short. I don't want to take a lot of your time, but I hope this gives you an idea and helps you out just in case you encounter this hit called Question Quality Task. Again, my name is Ghost, and we have a Facebook group called Click Worker Philippines. Please do subscribe to our channel. If you need something to tell me, please comment down below. Or if you have any requests for a tutorial or just a simple video about a particular hit or anything about the internet and stuffs we do, please do request them. I'll try my best to do a recording for each recommendations and requests that you make. Again, I am Ghost. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye for now.